Damer and Jan Willem from ShareFox. Please give us your thunder clap.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are the founders of ShareFox. Did you ever send privacy-sensitive information by email? Well, Hillary Clinton knows that's not a good idea. Do you think passwords are the solution? We are going to show that we can securely exchange your files without using any passwords. Do you want to find out? Please come to our session. Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys. Next up, I would like to call upon somebody who had to very quickly move his family from Estonia because he's getting a lot of attention here. Let's find out why. And you could probably hear the other story at the networking, but right now let's hear about his company.
Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Maxim Kostin and I'm co-founder of Access Hub. Access Hub is easy of use and secure access control solution for online resources, connected devices and different digital assets without any passwords by using personal digital certificate in a very secure environment. Our goal is to make online world safer by eliminating password usage. During our breakout session, we are going to consider different use cases based on our existing solutions, how we can protect our internet life. We count too much on your presence. Thank you.
Thank you, Maxim. Next up, Damon, where are you, sir? Yes, there you are. Next up, we have Damon all the way from the United States of America. Please give him a round of applause.
Bicycles, motorcycles, your front and your back door. What do they all have in common? These items are unsecured because they're using outdated and unsecure locks, bolts, and nuts. Lulu Locks is a next generation of lock technology that will actually lock what has never been lockable before. What we're going to be doing at our breakout session is we're going to be discovering how we can best take our technologies to market and who we can partner with to complete our value chain. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I would like to ask you guys, how many of you think we should invest a lot more in renewable energy? How many of you? Show of hands. Yeah, all right. And now, more important question, how many of you personally have invested in renewable energy? All right, I see a couple of hands. You have a nice audience over here. And these guys are hoping to bring up those numbers radically. Please tell us how.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Martin Balk, and I'm a co-founder of Start Solar. Start Solar is a solution for anyone to easily participate in climate action. We aim to accelerate the transition to clean energy sources by collectively financing solar energy projects using blockchain technology. During our breakout session this afternoon, we are going to talk about why you will or why you will not invest using our platform. I hope to see you there, and feel free to reach out to Peter or myself if you have any questions. Thank you.
Everyone, you saw this beautiful logo of World Startup Factory over here? This was made out of recycled plastic, every bit of it. But these guys can do a lot more.
Good afternoon, my name is Julia Wagner and I am here today on behalf of Precious Plastic Den Haag. We are a company seeking to reduce plastic waste. In our breakout session today, we will be discussing on your workspace and what kind of products we can be making for you in the future. So if you're interested in what we can do for your company and what we can do for our city, please come to our session at free right behind the white curtain there to find out. Thank you.
Next up, we have Sean from Veggie Hub. We talked about the pasta. That's something that they're starting with in 3 beautiful flavors of carrot, beetroot, and spinach. Yes. And it's not just the guests that are going to try it, we are actually, all of us get to try it at the networking drinks later as well. Please give a round of applause for Sean.
A pleasure to see you all, and good afternoon. My name is Sean Patrick. I'm the founder of Veggie Hub, together with Brian and Ben, seated over there. At Veggie Hub, we focus on reducing vegetable waste, where we are working on nutrition recovery from imperfect and surplus vegetables that would have otherwise gone to waste. Our goal is to produce vegetable-based food products that are nutrient-dense, but at the same time easy to add in your daily eating patterns. So you don't have to change anything about your eating, it will fit in right easy. At our session today, we really want to look into personal food choices, but also as well, how can we frame waste as an attractive concept? Thank you.
All right, next up, please give a round of applause for Gagan from Sitama.
Hello everyone, my name is Gagan Reddy and I'm the founder of Sitamap. The main aim of Sitamap is to help people make confident decisions, backed by data. 90% of the world's data was created in the last 2 years, but only 1% is being analyzed. The emergence of data and the technology and the potential insight from it is useful to make confident decisions and make our vision of sustainable cities a reality. Today I'd like to present a product called Renovatio. It's a decision support system for the real estate sector. I will be presenting at room 3 at 4 o'clock. So I invite city managers, urban planners, project developers, and other interested people to join me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Gagan. Francois, it's your turn now. Please give a round of applause for Francois from Saturday.
Good afternoon and welcome to the New Business Summit. I'm Francois from SensorGauge. We realize that undertaking smart city initiatives is a leap into the unknown, as well as a tough learning curve for municipalities. Different technologies, different software, evolutive solutions, and lack of data ownership are the first hurdles that they have to overcome. We're organizing a roundtable where municipal stakeholders can share their issues as well as the experiences they've had in the past. The roundtable will be held at room 3, which is in the corner back there at 3 o'clock, and we're looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Francois. Next up, Roberto. If I can give you a quick introduction before you go onto the stage. Roberto is from Avenue. Avenue is not our portfolio startup, but it was a startup that was part of the Startup in Residence program of Den Hague. And I think I saw Arinda somewhere before. I'm not sure if she's still here with us. This was a program from the government that we also helped contribute a little bit. That is something that we want to do more and more. We want to open up the stage for more startups from our partner network as well. So next version, I think you will see a lot more startups from our partner network. Please give a round of applause to Roberto from Avenue.
Thank you. Yeah, Lydia already did some introduction, but indeed I'm Roberto Viana. I'm co-founder of Avenue. Avenue is a digital assistant who is using AI, big data and API to solve the problems around mobility and traffic management for municipalities like The Hague, transport companies and event organizers. So if you want to hear more about our solution and how we are helping those customers, please come to see us just behind me. And we would like to show you how we are helping those companies and municipalities stop guessing and start predicting. Thank you very much.
So thank you. Last but not the least, we have Samuel. If you've been at the previous version of the New Business Summit. You must have seen Samuel. He presented here before. He's a starter from the previous batch, but now is a very good time for him to be with us. Please tell us why, Samuel.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Samuel Alvarado, and I'm the co-founder of Model Me 3D. We're the marketplace for city projects. Model Me 3D facilitates the collective intelligence, decision-making, and investment needed for urban planning. For our session, we're going to discuss why cities need a dynamic 3D platform, and we're going to feature our pilot for the city of The Hague. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.